Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to manage time spent in Timelog Board. The Timelog Board is designed to facilitate precise time tracking on your scheduled tasks. Project Admin, App Admin, and JIRA Admin can also create, modify, edit time off on behalf of other members. Now, let's start with the Timelog Board, logging time on scheduled tasks. Once you've scheduled tasks on boards like the Schedule Board, Calendar, Timeline, or Gantt board, these tasks will appear on your Timelog board. Here, you can directly input the actual time spent on each task. Simply enter the time spent next to the relevant task and hit the Log button to record your time. Logging time on unscheduled tasks. For tasks not predefined in your schedule, you can log time by clicking on the white space in any cell. A dialog will appear, allowing you to log either working time or time off. You can select an existing task from the drop-down menu or use the plus button to create a new task. For time off, you can add the hours and choose the leave type. More leave types can be added in the app settings. Direct time logging from issue details. Navigate to the ProScheduler Timelog panel within the issue details. Click on Add Time Log to record your time. If you have replaced the built-in JIRA time tracking provider with ProScheduler, then you can log time using the Timelog tab on the Issue Details screen. And after all, users can go to the report to see an overview of the time log compared with capacity hours and scheduled hours, or go to the dashboard to view an overview of the project's progress. Efficiently manage your time and ensure accurate time tracking with the Timelog Board. And that's it for now. Please let us know if you have any questions at helloeteamboard.cloud. See you in the next video.